What is Form 8862 on Jackson Hewitt? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Form 8862 is used in relation to the Earned Income Tax Credit in the United States. The Earned Income Tax Credit is a refundable tax credit designed to provide financial assistance to low to moderate income working individuals and families. Form 8862, titled Information to Claim Earned Income Credit After Disallowance, is used when a taxpayer's claim for the EITC has been denied in the previous year and they want to reapply or claim the credit again. Form 8862 is used to inform the IRS that the taxpayer believes that they are now eligible to claim the Earned Income Tax Credit after the claim was disallowed in the prior year. Taxpayers may need to file Form 8862 if they were previously denied the EITC and they now believe they meet the eligibility criteria. The EITC may be disallowed for various reasons such as error in reporting income, filing status, or other eligibility criteria. There might be a waiting period before a taxpayer can reapply for the EITC after it has been disallowed in the previous year. You want to open up any web browser and then head over to jacksonhewitt.com and press enter. After that, you want to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, click on the search option and there you want to search for 8862 and then click on the link. After that, answer the questions accordingly and the Form 8862 will be included in your return. If you face any difficulties during this process, you can contact the customer support of Jackson Hewitt. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.